Thanks to the practical pull-out elements, installation is reduced by up to 30%. For ceiling heights of up to 3.5 meters, the powder-coated Tobler Deck elements can be quickly installed from below. With the cross beams with integrated nail strip available in 2 heights, adjustments can be made quickly and easily. The system must be secured against horizontal loads. The guardrail bearing and the flexible head bearing shoe for holding the guardrail standards enable anti-fall protection to be installed in just a few simple steps. Ideally, the bearings should be used in the inserted position. This maximizes the permissible support loads. Greater speed in constructing building walls increases the usefulness of the Tobler drop head system for fast, partial formwork removal. In addition to the drop head cover strips, 2 standard lengths are available for this purpose. Tobler recommends formwork panels made of phenolic resin or the durable Alkys plastic solution. As a special feature, Tobler offers a 1.80 meter by 1.20 meter element. This further increases flexibility and speed. Like the elements, Tobler accessories are designed for an extremely long service life. The bearings, 4-way heads, and universal tripods are hot-dip galvanized at Tobler. The universal tripod, which can be used for almost all ceiling supports, makes it easier to set up the supports. The universal tripod can be folded up to save space. The aluminum assembly rod for swiveling the elements during formwork and stripping is also available with an extension for high ceilings. The compensation beams and cross beams are made of aluminum and are therefore particularly light and easy to handle.